everyone, welcome to Girl Talk Vlog. I'm Poppy and today I'm really excited because I'm going to be decorating some lovely cakes. I'm going to be using marshmallows, some blue colouring and these really amazing smelling laces. 140 grams of softened butter in there and we have 280 grams of icing sugar, and this is for these 4 cakes here. I think now I can probably add my colouring so it blends in quite nicely. So I'm going to add, it says you can add however much you want, I would add a tiny bit because it's really strong. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my blue icing, butter icing I've got in the bowl, and I'm going to put some on each of the cakes. So let me get my spoon. All 4 of my cakes here, so now I'm ready to decorate them. Firstly, I'm going to do my first one. I'm going to get one of these laces. Depending on, because obviously I'm not going to need them that big because they need to stick. I'm probably going to cut them a bit. Now I'm going to get these marshmallows and put some either side to make it look really nice. Here are the cakes that I've made. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. I really enjoyed making these really cute cakes. Look how good they look. So easy to do and really good fun as well. And remember that the recipe is in the issue of the magazine and there'll be pictures and step-by-step guide of how to do it as well. So see you next time. Bye!